Hi guys, Lorraine here from MakeMoneyOnline-niches.com, and today I want to do a review of a product called RankBased. Now RankBased is launching today, the 3rd of October at 11 AM EST. Now that's 5 PM in Spain and 4 PM in the UK. So what I want to do first is take a look at my bonus page and the bonuses I have available, and then we can take a look at the sales page, and I do have access to the members dashboard and the software and tools. So if you stick around to the end of the video, then we can have a look inside of RankBased. So let's now take a look at my bonus page. Okay, so this is the members area for RankBased, which we will look at a little later in the video. But now what I want to do is show you the bonus page and the bonuses I have available if you decide to pick up RankBased for yourself. Now the link will be the first link in the description box, and that will take you through to this bonus page. Now this bonus page has been put together. It's got my bonuses and also the demonstration video for RankBased. So what I want to do is now have a look at what it's all about, the funnel and the prices, and then the bonuses. So first of all, this is RankBased. It's basically a search engine optimization tool, and it's cloud-based. So obviously everything that's inside of the members dashboard is to help you to rank your websites, to get them into Google search engines. So there's 50-in-1 tools that's inside of this product here, and it's a complete suite of tools for one low price, especially while it's in the launch phase. And the team is saying that basically you can use it for personal use, you can use it for commercial use, and it's 100% beginner friendly. So you can start doing search engine optimization, SEO, like overnight with this particular software. And let's see what else you can do. So you don't need a list, you don't need paid traffic, you don't need to have experience, is what they're saying. You can create unlimited backlinks. You can do single-click SEO analysis report for any blog or a website, or whatever URL you have that you want to put in there. And it's saying that you can index your customers' websites, and you can start ranking on the first page of Google. So just a few clicks and you'll be able to start to rank pages. So 50 different tools that you can use, and just a one-time price, no ongoing monthly membership, and no massive recurring fees. And you can use it as an agency as well. Now these are the creators. You've got Anjani Kumar and Shabir Khan. And this is their product that they're launching, like I say, today, 3rd of October, 11 AM EST. So let's take a look at the funnel and the prices for RankBased. Before I forget, I've just put a little reminder here that there's a $3 off on the entire funnel if you use this code, which is on my bonus page. So if you click through to the bonus page, any of the buttons will take you to the sales page for RankBased, and this is the code you can use, RankBased VIP, to get a $3 off on the entire funnel if you want to make any purchases. So you've got the front end of RankBased, which is $17. You've got the upsell one, which is unlimited at $37. You've got upsell 2, which is RankBased content, which is 10 million plus content, ebooks, audio books, PLRs, $27. Then you've got RankBased agency for $47. Now that is where you want, if you want to start your own agency and use RankBased and charge a monthly fee to your customers, where you can create different accounts, so 100 to 250 accounts from the dashboard. Then you've got upsell 4, which is rank-based reseller, where you can get an exclusive reseller license, and you can then make 100% profit by selling rank-based yourself. Some other good stuff that's inside of rank-based: it's intuitive, so it's user-friendly. It's a fully tested app. It's been used by beta testers and they've been getting good results. There's tutorials included, so very useful professional tutorials, dedicated 24/7 support, and it's updated frequently. So that's what is included with rank-based. And like I say, any of these buttons on my bonus page will take you through to the sales page for rank-based. If you decide that rank-based is going to be useful, and you want to pick up a copy. Now here is the demo video, and I'm not going to play the demo video, but I do think that the best thing to do is click through to this page and check it out for yourself. Read a little bit more about rank-based. Now these are the bonuses I've put together for this particular offer and launch. So my first one is access to my crazy traffic frenzy. Now this is a password protected page that I've put together, which includes 5 free traffic products. Now you've got 2 PDFs and 3 full training courses all about traffic. My second bonus is 3 ways to get traffic to your gig. And my third bonus is you can get access to my free, which I'm delivering myself, 4-part video course, how to make money with YouTube and affiliate marketing. Now this is one of the courses I put together at the end of last year. So I'm giving this as a bonus. And my bonus number 4 is a mega bonus marketing bundle, which you can get access to. And it's a massive amount of documents, PDFs that you can download on all sorts of different subjects that cover marketing in all sorts of different methods of marketing. And you would still get access to all the vendor bonuses, which we can take a look at when we go to the demonstration later in the video, okay? And that's it. So that's my bonus page. So now let's take a look at the sales page for rank-based, which is here. Now this is the sales page, and like I said, 50-in-1 SEO tools in the cloud. So you're not having to go to one place to do one thing, another place to do another thing. What you're going to be able to do is go to this membership dashboard and then use that software, use the tools to do many different things in order to boost your ranking on your website or your pages, okay? So that is the first part of the sales page. There is a video here that introduces rank-based, and then it's telling you at the side here all of the benefits that you can get. There's a step-by-step training. They've got all these tools. You've got unique AI for faster web page indexing. Rank on the first page of Google. It's all cloud-based. The updates are included. You could do unlimited backlinks, and it's all on one dashboard. So basically it's a low one-time price, like I just said. It's starting here at $16 here, once and forever. And it's obviously not live yet, but it will be later today. And so that basically covers what rank-based is, and how it can do all sorts of different things, because I've had a quick look inside the members dashboard. But if you start to rank for certain keywords, whenever somebody goes to Google or Bing or whoever search engine is, but Google's most used, and then puts in a keyword term and they're looking for something, how to whatever, you know, then if you've got your pages optimized and able to rank for that particular keyword and search term, then customers who are looking for what you deliver are going to find you. If you're on the top page of Google, the first 10 in the search, obviously get more traffic than any other searches, because page 2, 3, 4, 5, you're not going to get clicks to your website if you're further back in the queue of searched pages. Okay, so that's what it's all about. It's all about getting ranked for your keywords. You come up better in local searches. So if you are an agency or business that helps local businesses with marketing, then obviously this is a tool that might be useful to you as well. Or even if you're a small business and have your own website. So this is like the sales page, and I think so here you've got an example of dog training, and you can see here how the different pages have shown and ranked in Google. So lots of information here on this sales page. I would recommend that you go to my bonus page, click through any of the orange buttons on there, and go take a look at the sales page for yourself, so that you can check it all out and make sure that you know what it is actually all about for yourself. So what I want to do is, like, well, obviously what you can see here is the pop-up for the $5 discount. So usual price, and then it's down. So you get like that extra discount. And like I said, that coupon code is on my bonus page as well. So we can have a look now at the members dashboard. So this is inside of the members dashboard for Rank Beast, and as you can see, this is all of these tabs down the left hand side, which will open up to the various different SEO tools that are inside of the members area. So this is the dashboard, and here you've got a quick demo video of the inside and the workings. Then you've got, this is a quick link box, which is article rewriter, a plagiarism checker, a meta tag generator, and a server status check. You've also got the tab at the top for the training videos, frequently asked questions, and the support. There's also this tab which is for the bonuses, and like I say, if we click onto the bonus tab, you can see that the vendor bonuses are all inside of the dashboard, and there is quite a lot of bonuses included with this particular software. So as you can see, you've got all sorts of different products here. Audiobook, and you've got this one about banner ads, keywords magnet, 5 steps to profit, automate your email funnel, the secrets of marketing. So all of these, if we just scroll down, how to write product launch emails, you see, there's quite a lot of bonuses in this product itself. So you're not just getting a search engine optimization toolbox of 50 different products in one membership site. You're getting all of these bonuses as well, which, you know, obviously are giveaways in themselves, and other bonuses for other products. So all of that. Now let's take another look on this site here. If we can just click on keywords, and you see you've got keyword suggestion tool. So you just enter a keyword in there, press submit, and you get a list of keywords. You've got a backlink maker, backlink checker, broken link finder. Now I actually used the broken link finder myself, and it came up with 100% success rate when I put my URL into the broken link checker or finder. So I just checked one or two different things out, and you've got a web manage, page size, web screen resolution, page speed checker, the rewriting tool, the XML site map generator, text generator, email privacy, all of these different tools under this particular tab. Web tracking, page authority, page speed, reverse IP domain checker. So all of these different tools under there. like I say, there's lots of different tools within the membership area. Then obviously this part is for people who are upgrading. So if you've got an agency and you want to use and create other accounts as well, then the agency is an option. But as you can see, all of the training, all of the software tools are all down this side here. And I am not an SEO expert, so I can't explain everything about this software. I only know a certain amount. It's not my forte really. I know how to put a WordPress website together. I know how to do the posts and things like that, but search engine optimization has never been something that I've kept up to date with, because when I started putting WordPress sites together was 2005. So everything's changed since then. Anyway, this is rank based, and this has been my review. Don't forget, it launches today, 3rd of October, 11 AM EST, and it is launching, that would be 5 PM Spain, 4 PM in the UK. And don't forget to check out my bonus page and check out the demo video, and any of the orange buttons on my bonus page here will take you through to the sales page, so you can then take a further look at what's available in rank based. Okay, so that's it for now, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.